The southern energies are about growth, trust, innocence, and faith. Rapid change occurs like the teenager who changes by the minute, growing and maturing seemingly overnight. The heat of the summer and the storms move over the land and help the plants grow quickly. South is a time of childhood wonder and trust. It is a time when you reach out for fulfillment so quickly that you do not have time to question the path. Childhood and young adulthood embody this direction, and the transition must be tempered with patience. The South is also paradoxical. Seek your vision in the South. Follow it quickly. You must trust and be quick to adapt and change. While we're trusting and exploring, we must also learn to take care of ourselves and not to burn out. This is the paradox. Be both open and within, maturing our self-love and nurturance. We learn love, and we learn how to let go all of that doesn't serve our highest good. In this season, we will practice testing and searching through our emotions. Try on a new role, test out a new creative medium, push the boundaries. The result is to learn to trust your instinct. Develop the wisdom to listen, even to the trickster. Remember to laugh and not to take yourself too seriously. Have some fun.